How to fix Samsung A16 text notification sound not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and open messages app and then click on notification. And here you can allow your sound and vibration, then turn on notification sounds from here. After that, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time and then restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.